Good morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. We are going to make America's #1 Christmas cookie. At least this is what many of the polls say, and that is the Snickerdoodle. Now, guys, we're doubling up on the recipe today, so if you wanted to half it, you'd still get quite a haul on it, but we're doubling up because many of our friends and family love Snickerdoodles, and we want to make sure to make plenty to go around. It's a cool, rainy, dreary day today, guys, so it's a perfect day to get in here and start baking. So let me tell you what your ingredients are. First off, we're starting off with 3 cups of sugar. We have 2 cups of butter, softened, guys, at room temperature. 4 eggs. 5½ cups of flour. Now, this is your key ingredient to your Snickerdoodles, guys, and it's cream of tartar. It's not a spice that a lot of people keep on hand, so you'll need to pick up some cream of tartar, and you're going to need 4 teaspoons of cream of tartar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, not baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We have 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then for your coating, and you can go ahead and make this and set it aside, we have 6 tablespoons of sugar and 6 teaspoons of cinnamon. Once you get all your ingredients together, it's a very quick process, guys. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start to preheat our oven here, and I'm going to get Pop up here, and we're going to get started on these Snickerdoodle cookies. Stay tuned. We've preheated our oven to 250. It's on its way up. And so one key thing you want to remember about Snickerdoodles is you have to put your cookie sheet in the refrigerator, and it has to be a chilled cookie sheet, because once we get our dough mixed, we're also going to chill it for about 10 or 15 minutes. So Papa's doing our mixing today. He is going to mix the butter, the sugar, the eggs, and the vanilla extract together. Say hi, Papa.
Hi. Early Merry Christmas.
Early Merry Christmas, he says. So this is why, guys, you want your butter at room temp, so it'll soften up really good and mix with your butter and your eggs and your vanilla extract. So this is one of those classic recipes where you cream everything together and you set your dry ingredients aside to add slowly after you mix them. We want to make sure and get it creamed together really well. So while Pop's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and do our dry ingredients. Just going to add them in here with the flour. This is a multi-purpose flour, guys. Get this mixed in really good. So now we're going to add our dry goods, our flour mixture, very slowly, and beat it in and add a little bit more at a time. Okay, Papa's got it all mixed up. Now we're going to put this in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. We already have our cookie sheet in the fridge getting chilled.
About right.
Yep, roll it up.
Okay.
So we've taken our cookie sheet out. It's been chilled, and we've taken our dough out. It's been chilled for about 15 minutes.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
And he's going to roll it in the cinnamon and sugar, and then he's going to put them about 1.5 inches apart on the cookie sheet. Okay, guys, we're going to pop them in the oven for 10 minutes. You might have to turn it sideways, the lengthways, Papa. And then as soon as they come out of the oven, guys, it's very important that you take your spatula and you put them on your cookie racks. So have your cookie racks ready. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to put the dough back in the refrigerator until we're ready for our next batch.
A little bit soft.
So they are ready, and it's very important, guys, again, to put them on your cooling rack as soon as they come out of the oven. So I have another cookie sheet in the refrigerator. As soon as we're done with this, we'll load it back up and we'll put this cookie sheet back in the refrigerator so we can keep 2 cookie sheets going at all times.
Yeah, we got what you said. We got different sizes.
Yeah.
If you want a small cookie, you can have a small. You want a big one, we got a big one. You think that's going to be too close together? Put forward and then.
We are on our second bout. We've popped our other cookie sheet in the fridge so it can chill, and these are about to go in for 10 minutes, guys. You'll get about 2.5 dozen, so we're going to finish up here. Pop's going to put these on the cooling rack. We got one more batch to go in. Very excited with how delicious these look. Very beautiful cookies. Thank you guys for joining us, and thank you for watching. We'll be doing some more cookies this week, so be sure and stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. And if you are, we appreciate you guys and your loyalty and your faithfulness to watch us. So get out there and do some baking. It's that time of the year. We got the Christmas music going, and we're just enjoying this day. God bless you all. See you soon.